In this video, we're going to learn how to use automation feature Placeholders Replacer from AinTransitions extension like a pro. You'll find the Placeholders Replacer feature by clicking this automation icon, which will take you to the automation section. When you hover over any of these section icons, such as this, a tooltip bubble will appear to confirm that you are indeed in the right section. So first, let's take a quick look at the general settings of the Placeholder Replacer interface. This has only three options, which we'll now consider. The first one is called Target. This is either the selected footages or compositions that should contain the footage inside. Further, these compositions we will call placeholders. Second one is called Source. This is a selection field confirming where we will take the footage from. So either from the project panel or by importing into the project through the dialog box. The third one, called Scale, is a selection box that indicates which scale to use for the new footage. Now let's look at all these settings in action in reverse order. So case 1, Scale with option SmartFit. Target and source fields are left with the default values. So based on these settings, make the composition active and select layers with placeholders. Click the Run Automatic Replacer button and this opens up the window where we need to select the photos. After a few seconds of magic, you'll see that all the photos are successfully inserted into placeholders. Awesome, right? As we can see, the image scale is adjusted to the proportion of placeholder areas. Let's go inside one placeholder and check the scale property. We see that the scale property was adjusted by the maximum ratio of the composition size to the size of the footage. In this example, by the width of the footage. Case number 2, Scale with option FitToComp. Target and source files are left with their default values. So repeat the previous actions. We see that the scale property was adjusted by the minimum ratio of the composition size to the size of the footage. In this example, by the height of the footage. So based on these examples, the scale option should be more transparent. In other words, SmartFit option uses the maximum aspect ratio, while FitToComp option uses the minimum aspect ratio. Case number 3, Scale with option DoNotScale. The target and source fields are left with their default values. Repeat the previous actions. Now we see that the scale property has remained unchanged. Now let's move to the source field and select another option. Case 4, Source with option Footages from Project Panel. Target and scale fields are left with default values. So based on the settings, make the composition active and again select layers with placeholders. Then in the project panel, select the footage that we want to use. Click on the Run Automatic Replacer button. Yep, that works. Now let's move on to the latest target field and select another option. Case number 5, Target with option Selected Placeholders in Project Panel. Source and scale fields are left with default values. So select one layer with a placeholder and use the right mouse button to open the context menu. Then find the Reveal menu and select Reveal Layer Source in Project. Okay, we found the composition in the project panel. Now select 3 compositions in the project panel. Click the Run Automatic Replacer button and this opens up the window where we need to select the photos. Great, also works fine. And now for the last option, case number 6, Target with the option Selected Footages in ActiveComp. Source and scale fields are left with default values. Find a composition that contains footage. Select the layer with the footage. Repeat the step with automation. Yes, super. The image has been successfully replaced by a new one. Let's end this video by taking a quick look at another super cool feature. Select the necessary layers and just click on the Shuffle Images in Placeholders button. Just like magic, the photos were swapped. Let's play it back and enjoy this incredible work. It's so simple, isn't it? So I hope you found this video useful, and remember to watch the rest of the videos in this series so you can use this pack with confidence. So this video tutorial for this section is over. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates on new products and offers.